If you want to check if your iPhone is unlocked or you're getting ready to buy an iPhone and you want to make sure that it is an unlocked iPhone, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to be able to tell. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone or the iPhone you're going to check and tap on Cellular and then Cellular Data Options. Now, if you see Cellular Data Options and if you see anything on here that either says locked or unlocked or restricted, that'll give you a good idea of whether it's locked or not. But you can see in my case, it doesn't show me anything here. So the next thing we're going to do instead of that is to tap back to the beginning of my settings. And then you're going to tap on General and then About at the top. This will give you information about your iPhone. And let's scroll down until we get to the section for your carrier. You can see here midway down, it says carrier locked and it says SIM locked, aka this iPhone is locked. It is not unlocked. However, in some instances, this isn't actually correct. This isn't actually telling you whether that iPhone is locked or unlocked. The last way that you'll be able to tell if it is unlocked is just to scroll down and you're looking for IMEI, the IMEI number, and just press and hold on that number and then hit copy. After you've done that, let's just open up a web browser and you're going to type in IMEI check. Again, IMEI check. And you'll be able to see a number of different websites on here. It doesn't really matter which ones you go to. You can go to a number of different IMEI check websites and check to see if that iPhone is unlocked. It'll also tell you if it is blacklisted or stolen, etc. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.